Exchange forces. Inside the atomic nucleus, protons and neutrons, collectively called nucleons, are held together by a very strong attractive force known as the strong nuclear force. This force is responsible for the stability of atomic nuclei. One of the important explanations for this nuclear force is the idea of exchange force. The concept of exchange forces was first introduced by the physicist Werner Heisenberg. According to his theory, the nuclear force between nucleons arises due to the exchange of certain particles between them. Later, Hideki Yukawa proposed that nucleons interact by exchanging particles called mesons, particularly the pion. This exchange of mesons produces a strong attractive force between nucleons. In this process, a proton can emit a meson and transform into a neutron, while the neutron absorbs the meson and becomes a proton. This continuous exchange of mesons between nucleons results in a strong binding force that holds the nucleus together. Exchange forces also help explain several important properties of nuclear forces. Short range. Nuclear forces act only over a small distance of about 10 to 15 fans. Strong attractive nature. The force between nucleons is extremely strong. Charge independence. The nuclear force between proton-proton, neutron-neutron, and proton-neutron pairs is nearly the same when Coulomb effects are ignored. Saturation property. Each nucleon interacts mainly with its nearest neighboring nucleons. There are also different types of exchange forces based on the properties exchanged between nucleons. 1. Space exchange force, exchange of spatial coordinates of nucleons. 2. Spin exchange force, exchange of spin between nucleons. 3. Charge exchange force, exchange of charge between proton and neutron. 4. Madura exchange force, exchange of spatial coordinates without changing spin. These exchange mechanisms play an important role in understanding the behavior of nucleons inside the nucleus. In conclusion, exchange forces provide a fundamental explanation for the strong nuclear force. The exchange of mesons between nucleons binds the nucleus together and helps explain many important properties of nuclear structure.